Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to talk about what is Smartstrand carpet from Mohawk. But before I get into that, real quickly, I just wanted to talk a second about our website called BestRugPrices.com. And what you're looking at is the front page of our floor and decor blog. And as you can probably guess by the title of the blog, we write articles about floor covering. We do product reviews. We have care and maintenance tips. We have articles about strategies on how you can buy your flooring at the best possible pricing. We just have all kind of information on floor covering, and we'd love for you to come and check us out. Our most recent blog article is about Smartstrand carpet. We call it the Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide, but quite frankly, it has just a wealth of information in the article about Smartstrand carpet. So if you've been shopping for floor covering and you happen to go into a store and are looking at a Smartstrand product and you want to know more information about it, I would encourage you to read this article because we put some information in there that sometimes the stores won't tell you about. For example, if you buy a Mohawk Smartstrand carpet, you have to use an approved vacuum cleaner in order to maintain your warranty. And that means a lot of times for people that not only are they going to have to, purchase your flooring, but then they've got to go out and buy a new vacuum cleaner. And sometimes the stores won't tell you about that. But this article is just, like I said, a wealth of information about Mohawk Smartstrand. And I'm going to put a link to this article in the description box below this video. So, check it out. It's completely free. To read our blog, there's no membership fee or anything like that. So, okay, so Mohawk Smartstrand, I'm going to switch over to the Mohawk website. Mohawk Industries is one of the leading manufacturers of floor covering in the country, and they make a product called Smartstrand. And this is just their web page. And here's a Smartstrand label, and it talks about all the different types of products and stuff they have within the Smartstrand product line. And Mohawk Smartstrand came out several years ago by Mohawk, and it has a different fiber called Triexta, and it really is a product that wears extremely well. Way back when they first came out, if you look it up on YouTube, they had a zoo challenge where they put the carpet down in the area where the elephants are, and then they came back a couple weeks later to clean it and to see what it looks like, just as a marketing a video to promote how well it wears. So it is an extremely durable product. It's probably one of the most popular products in every store across the country. And within the Smartstrand a brand, they have all kind of different quality products. So you don't have to spend a fortune to purchase a Smartstrand carpet. They have carpet with Smartstrand that is, apartment grade quality all the way through, very expensive luxury home type of carpet. So there's really a carpet for everybody within the Smartstrand line. So the purpose of this video really though is to direct you to our in-depth article called Smartstrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. And in that article, we have videos, we have all kind of different links. We talk about everything possible related to Smartstrand carpet. So again, I'm going to put the link to the article in the description box below this video. If you're in the market for carpet and you're looking at Smartstrand, I really encourage you to check it out. And after you read it, leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. Thanks.